Okay friends, it's time to get started on our job. One of the first things you want to do is come over to the top of the engine and remove your plastic cover. To remove the plastic cover, you're going to find two 10mm headed nuts. One over here, and one on the driver's side. Remove the pair. Now when you unscrew this, it's common for the stud that goes down into the valve cover to come out as well. That's okay. We'll go ahead and set this aside and fully remove the other nut as well. Inspect your hardware as you continue. Now let's carefully remove that plastic cover. We'll give it a quick inspection and set it aside. Now that we have that out of the way, we have a nice clear view of our ignition coils. Now before you go ahead and remove any of your ignition coils, it's important to make sure you clean the area thoroughly. You don't want any dirt or debris or even moisture here. Now the next thing we're going to do is pay attention to each of our ignition coils. The process for removing your ignition coils is going to be the same for each one of them. I'll show you how to do one, and then of course you can figure out how to do the rest. To remove your ignition coil, you're going to come right over to the wiring harness. Looking where my thumb is, there's a squeeze tab. Squeeze that tab and carefully remove the wiring. Now once you have that apart, give it a quick inspection for corrosion. Assuming it looks good, set it aside. Now we're going to move along to the one 10mm headed mounting bolt for each ignition coil. Remove that bolt. Go ahead and grab onto that coil, give it a little wiggle to break it free from the valve cover, and then lift it straight up and off. Now once you have the ignition coil out of there, the spark plug would be located deep down in this hole. If you wanted to, you can use a 5/8 socket. Go ahead and remove that spark plug and take a peek. Otherwise, if you're only replacing the coil, make sure you clean out the tube. We'll also make sure we clean along this area where the coil is going to sit. Now it's time to install our brand new ignition coil. The first thing you want to do for this is take a little bit of dielectric grease and just come along this area right here. That's going to help it slip right on over that spark plug tip. Now we can take this and start sliding it down into the proper position, paying attention to where the mounting bolt hole is. Now we can install our mounting bolt. We'll start this in by hand so we're sure we're not cross-threading it in any way, and snug it up. Once you have it snug, torque it to 80 inch-pounds. Let's continue on with connecting in our electrical connector. Press it in, listen for a click. Once you hear that click, give it a little tug to make sure it's completely secured. Now, as I said before, the process will be the exact same thing for every other ignition coil. After you have the proper ignition coils installed, continue on by starting up the vehicle and make sure you don't have any check engine light. Thanks for watching.